everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, we're going to be unboxing two Target beauty boxes. They put out two this month, April 2019. So they did put out the April beauty box, and then they put out the April natural beauty box. I don't remember which one's which, but if I had to guess, we've got flowers and we've got what looks like a honeycomb. I don't know if you guys can see those boxes, but if I had to guess, I would guess that the honeycomb is the natural beauty box. That's a guess. I don't know 100% for sure, but we'll see. So I'm going to open this one first, especially since this one's actually lighter weight than that one. That one's kind of heavy. So let's go ahead and open this box up. That's what it looks like. The box is pretty this month. This says April showers on it. And let's see what is inside. All right, there we are. Interesting. All right, this says April showers bring May flowers, but when the dark clouds roll in, who has the motivation to get dolled up? Here, the rainy day products you need, which are sure to help you weather the storm and make a splash in your beauty arsenal. Try them out, and if you love them, go to Target.com beauty box, and then it says tag them on social media. So there are 6 items in here. There's also the $3 off coupon that they normally have in their box of a purchase of $15 or more. I will refer to that card as we go. So let's go ahead and open it up. Well, I already have it open, but let's go ahead and pull the items out. I'm a little bit upset for right now, but wait until we get into the products, I suppose. That looks like there's 3 foil packs. I'm going to hold my full opinion until I get to those, but I'm slightly upset right now having foil packs in here, but it was only $7, so there's that. Okay, so this first item here is the Crest 3D White Brilliance toothpaste. So that is what that looks like. Okay. And this says it's the Crest 3D White Brilliance Toothpaste Vibrant Peppermint. Illuminating complex leaves teeth dazzlingly, I had to say that word 4 or 5 times before I could get it, white and brilliantly clean by removing up to 95% of surface stains in just 3 days. Tip, rub the white part of a lemon rind on teeth for a few minutes to help brighten a dull smile. I've never heard that before. All right, we'll give this a try. We have a couple of vacations planned coming up. We're just going on a couple of road trips in a couple of months. It is April, right? Yeah, in a couple of months, we're going on a couple of road trips. We're going north one way and then south one way. So we like those little mini toothpaste to take with us when we're going on road trips. All right, this next item is from Degree. It's the Motion Sense Dry Spray Ultra Clear Black and White Anti-Perspirant product. I don't particularly like these. Let me see. It is a spray. I typically use natural deodorants, so I won't be using this. In fact, I might actually just go ahead and put it in my giveaway drawer. I'll ask all the other people who live in my house, my 2 children and my husband, if they would be interested in using this. Or my husband's a teacher. Sometimes he will bring little things like this into school and like give them to students if they want them, or leave them in the teacher's lounge, that sort of thing. So anyway. My biggest problem is that it's an antiperspirant. I usually just use deodorants. So, all right. This says the Degree for Women Black and White Dry Spray Antiperspirant goes on instantly dry for a cleaner feel and provides 48-hour protection against sweat and body odor while keeping clothes stain-free. There you go. All right. The next item here is another item that I won't use. Oh, I'm being a Debbie Downer on this one. Okay, sorry if there's anybody named Debbie watching me. This is the Dove Refresh and Care Volume and Fullness Dry Shampoo. I don't use dry shampoo. My hair is very difficult, and I struggle with it all the time. So, yeah. If you watch this channel for any length of time, you know that it never looks the same from one video to another unless I'm filming multiple videos in one day. So I've lived with this hair for 40 years and I haven't mastered it yet. Anyway, this is the Dove Dry Shampoo Volume and Fullness. Weightless formula instantly absorbs oil, reviving and volumizing day-old hair so tresses look fab and feel fresh. There's a hint. After spritzing onto hair, massage into roots to take your locks from limp to full of life. There you go. All right, moving on to the 3 foil packs. This first one here is the Bliss That's Incredipeel Spa Strength Glycolic Resurfacing Pad to smooth and brighten. And there is 1 pad in here. Okay. So the Bliss That's Incredipeel gradually releases glycolic acid overnight to target fine lines, discoloration, and imperfections so you can wake up to smoother, brighter looking skin. How to: gently wipe over clean, dry skin. Do not rinse. Use nightly for best results. That's disappointing. Yeah. All right, the next item in here is from Bedhead. It's the After Party Smoothing Cream for silky, shiny, healthy looking hair. That is what that looks like. Okay. And this is the Tigi, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, Tigi Bedhead After Party Smoothing Cream. Castor seed oil smooths hair and imparts shine, while anti-frizz properties help block out humidity, keeping your dew silky and full of life. Tip: work a dime-size amount between palms of hands and smooth onto damp hair. I'll have to give that a try. I don't know. I'll give that a try. All right, and then the last item here is from Soap and Glory. It is 1 set of the Puffy Eye Attack Super Hydrating Under Eye Brightening Hydrogel Patches. That is what the packaging looks like. Okay. And this is the Soap and Glory Puffy Eye Attack Under Eye Brightening Hydrogel Patches. Moisture-rich under eye patches are the perfect perk-me-up for your peepers, working while you rest to reduce the appearance of dark circles and under-eye puffiness. Do you wear this overnight? Oh no, 20 to 30 minutes. So, okay. All right, so I paid $7 for this box this month. I personally do not feel like there's $7 worth of product in here at all. Which is surprising. I'm normally really, really excited for my Target box. This month, I just feel totally let down. Like, this is 1 ounce of dry shampoo, and it's Dove, which Dove is just fine. I used Dove the entire time I was growing up, and I still to this day use drugstore shampoos in my hair. I don't use high-end shampoo and conditioner in my hair. I just haven't found one that I feel really is worthy of the price. So I do use drugstore shampoo and conditioner. Most of the products that I use in my hair are drugstore, actually. I don't even know that there's a single higher end product. Maybe that's why it looks the way it does. I don't know. If you have any hair care tips, let me know in the comment section down below. Anyway, this I believe is probably from their dollar spot or like their $1.50. Like they have that aisle of travel products. And this is maybe $1, $1.50. The toothpaste is $1. This Degree conditioner, or yeah, I'm sorry, this Degree antiperspirant is probably $1. So that's like $3, maybe $3.50 or $4 if the dry shampoo might be as much as $2. So maybe $4. I don't know how much the eye gels would be. That's the only wild card. But these are like sample foil packs. There's literally 1 pad in this one, and then this is, I don't know. It said use a dime size amount, but with the length of my hair, I don't think a dime size would be enough. So this might be 3 or 4 uses maybe in my hair. So this might be worth $1. So I don't know. I mean, I guess maybe it's $7. I don't know. I'm just disappointed. Let's go on to the next box. Hopefully the next box is better. It's heavier for sure. So, all right. So this is the other one. So I can only assume that this is the Natural Beauty box. So there's a card. It smells minty. That is what that box looks like. All right. So this is the Au Naturel Beauty. I'm just pronouncing it weird. No doubt natural products have found their spot on the beauty shelf, but snagging eco-conscious versions that are high quality and wallet friendly, not so easy. Thankfully, we scrubbed, brushed, and masked to curate good for you finds that'll make good Au Naturel a breeze and won't break the bank. Try them out, and if you love them, target.com/beautybox. Okay, so this has 6 items in it, and it does have a little bit different of a coupon. They want you to actually use the Target app, which I have it on my phone. I sometimes use it. I don't always use it. But if you scan this, you can get, and use it in the app, you get $3 off of a $15 purchase. So, or you can redeem it at Target.com. Can you redeem the other one at Target.com? Yes. Okay. It does have a promo code. So yeah, see, here's the other coupon. It's actually like a coupon rather than the one to use in the app. So I don't know. Maybe they're changing it to the app coupon. I don't know. Let's dig in. This one definitely looks more promising than the other one did. Okay, I'm going to pull this one out here first. This is the Good Stuff. Too good to rinse off. It's a complete repair balm, good for damaged hair, and it's a no-rinse conditioner for towel-dried hair. All right. I do use leave-in conditioner. I usually use a spritzing one, not like a balm, but I'm open to giving it a try. So this says, where is it? The Good Stuff Repair Balm. Plant-based detanglers leave locks soft and smooth, while lightweight microsilicones shield hair from daily damage, repairing strands with every use. Psst. Comb through towel-dried hair, avoiding the roots, then dry and style as usual. I can give that a try for sure. All right, next item. Let's pull out this item. This is from Shea Moisture. I enjoy Shea Moisture a lot. This is the African Black Soap Clarifying Facial Wash and Scrub with tamarind extract and tea tree oil. I feel like I've gotten this before. It does have a safety seal on it, so I'm not going to give it a smell, but there it is. Okay. And the card says the African Black Soap Clarifying Facial Wash and Scrub from Shea Moisture. It actually doesn't have Shea Moisture on here, which is kind of weird because that's the brand. But anyway, African Black Soap absorbs impurities, controls excess oil, and detoxifies skin, while tamarind extract and tea tree oil brighten and clarify. How to apply onto damp skin, then gently massage into the face and neck using circular motions. All right, moving on. This next item is from Schmidt's. This is the Cedarwood and Juniper Natural Soap with charcoal and exfoliating volcanic sand. That sounds really cool. Now, I will say this. I've tried some of the Schmidt's deodorants, and I actually have a bad reaction to them. So I am a little nervous to try this. I bet you it smells wonderful. I might actually just give it to my husband and let him use it in the shower. I'm just nervous. I might use it, but if I use it once and I get a reaction, I won't use it again. So this is the Schmidt's Cedarwood and Juniper Bar Soap. Natural plant and mineral-derived ingredients help neutralize odor, while woodsy cedarwood and juniper keep you smelling fresh all day long. So I'm definitely not opposed to their products. I just know that for me, and I think it's the scent, to be honest with you. I don't know. We'll see. All right. This next item, I got another toothpaste. This is the Burt's Bees Fluoride Toothpaste. I didn't even know that Burt's Bees made toothpaste. Is that weird? I didn't know. I don't know. Anyway, there is the packaging. Okay, and it does actually have a coupon for $1 off the full size, which is kind of nice. So if you decide you like this, you can actually use the coupon for a full size. And did I say this was the enamel care, which I think is kind of cool? So this is the Burt's Bees Enamel Care Mountain Mint Toothpaste, specially formulated to leave your breath smelling fresh, your mouth feeling clean, and your enamel strong. Say hello to a sparkly smile. I'll give that a try. I normally use like sensitive teeth toothpaste because I had some problems with a tooth at one point, and I've just been using sensitive toothpaste ever since. So anyway. All right, this next item is from Love, Beauty, and Planet, and honestly, I have liked everything I've tried from them. Now, I personally haven't purchased anything from them, but I've gotten several items in my Target Beauty boxes from them, specifically shampoos, and everything that I've tried so far, I have loved. It does have a safety seal on it, but I am absolutely going to be using this product. Did I tell you what it is? It's a hand lotion. I have been loving hand lotions lately. I don't know about you guys. I have been loving hand lotions, specifically hand lotions, not just like a body lotion that you can use on your hands, of course, but I've been loving hand lotions. And I know I don't normally put, ooh, that smells good. I don't normally pull off safety seals in my unboxings, but because I know I'm definitely going to use this product and use it sooner rather than later, I figure I'd go ahead and open it. So it has actually a really nice fresh scent. It says it's coconut water and mimosa flower. There is the packaging. Okay. So this is the Love Beauty and Planet Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower Hand Cream. Fast absorbing, moisturizing lotion formulated with natural coconut water leaves skin feeling nourished and smelling delicately fresh. I'm going to put actually some on my other hand because my other hand is feeling quite dry. I'm filming this a little bit later in the evening. If you didn't quite figure it out, my mail comes late in the day. So when I film my unboxings in the evening, it's because my mail has come at like 6 o'clock at night. So there's that. And no, I'm not exaggerating. Anyway, that does have a nice smell to it. And it feels nice on the skin. And it does absorb quickly. Like, it's not on the skin anymore. So that's nice. All right. And then the last thing in here is from Love Beauty and Planet. It's the Muru. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Butter and Rose Blooming Strength and Shine 2-minute Magic Mask for doll hair. That is what the packaging looks like. Okay. And this is the Love Beauty and Planet Muru Butter Mask Sachet. I don't know. All I know is that the Muru butter is the butter blush, butter bronzer, butter highlighter from Physicians Formula. Anyway, Brazilian Muru and ethically sourced rose deliver a deep treatment that helps visibly recharge color-treated hair with a boost of vibrancy and shine. Tip: keep your mask concentrated on the ends of hair which need the most nourishment. Honestly, this is what needs the most nourishment for me. Like, for some reason, this part of my hair is always like super frizzy, and like the ends of my hair actually end up typically looking pretty nice. Today it's just a mess because it's been raining all day. So April showers, right? Anyway, this box I'm actually very pleased with. I have the hair mask, which I'm pleased with, the facial wash and scrub, the hand lotion, which is probably the thing that I'm most excited about, believe it or not, the toothpaste, the soap, and the leave-in hair conditioner. This box I'm actually really pleased with. I feel like I got more than $7 worth in this box, and I will tell you that in my opinion, this is typically the way my Target boxes look when I open them. I'm very pleased with this box. So there you go. There are my Target Beauty Box unboxings, 2 for the month of April. 1 I'm excited about, the other one very disappointed, especially for a Target box. Target is typically like one of my favorite boxes throughout the month. So what do you guys think? Let me know. Did you like this video? Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the bell if you decide you want to. And throw those comments in the comment section down below. I'm sorry, I'm getting a little weird. It's 9 o'clock at night, which is almost my bedtime. So anyway, leave me any comments that you might have on these boxes. What do you think? Am I being a little bit too hard on the first box that I opened up? Or is it really just not worth $7? I don't know. Let me know your comments down below. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye. Illuminating complex leaves teeth dazzlingly Illuminating complex leaves teeth dazzlingly. Illuminating complex leaves teeth dazzlingly.